Hello, welcome to Email Chef. After finishing Reg and having account confirmed, you'll land in Dashboard. By clicking on Template, you can enter the template gallery where over 1,000 themes divided by language and category await you, which you can modify to your liking. To create a template from scratch, just click on the green button and enter the graphic editor, where you will first see a template that is ready to be edited with everything included. What you see is clickable and editable. I will indeed be able to delete or move each individual item inside. You can then customize your message to individual elements such as texts, buttons, or images, as in this case, etc. By double-clicking, I will be able to enter my content, just like I am doing right now. As you can see, I can resize, shrink, or align each element differently in a unique manner. Or inside blocks, you will find some sets of pre-made elements you can use. Enter inside to create your email faster and more professionally. Thanks to the 3 icons you find at the top, you can preview how it will look. Given your template on computers, tablets, or cell phones, so as to make I'll check if the work's perfect or if you'll need to modify. If all's okay, save and exit. You will find the template in My Templates section. To share this template, click on the 3 dots, choose Share, copy the URL, and send it to the desired recipient. When you open it, you will see the desktop and mobile preview of the graphics you just created. Now let's see how to send an email. Click on Campaigns. Here you'll find drafts, scheduled, sent, and archived campaigns. To create new click button in top right corner as before, choose or create a template. Once chosen, Email Chef will display it again for security. Proceed by clicking Next, and now you can provide a name for your campaign or leave the default one set. Next, write your subject. You will observe that you have the ability to preview in real time. In the desktop version, it's mobile. We suggest adding a pre-header too. Next, choose the desired sender and proceed accordingly. Now choose recipient for your email. Remember, Email Chef also sends a multi-list. Going forward, we arrive at the penultimate step where you can choose to send yourself a test email to check if you have done it. Excellent work, and if everything convinces you, then click on Next and you will be at a crossroads. You can send now or schedule the campaign. If you schedule, enter the date and time and click on Schedule your campaign. Otherwise, if you want to send it now, click on Send Campaign Now.